Diamaya, and welcome to Chronicles with Diamaya. Yeah, I did this hairstyle on my head. It was an epic fail, so we had to do buns today. Good job. It's too bright. Okay, so I have to go upstairs. I have a purse, and my purse has my ID, and goes to the cafe of senior ID. So we're gonna try this again. Okay, y'all, so rain check. We're not actually going to the cafe at this moment. We're gonna go to the library and do some work. We're gonna be studious today. Child, why is this thing? Oh my god. Anyways, y'all, that's really headed. That's really. Okay, yeah, so my charger broke and it's not estimated to get here till 10 o'clock at night. So I'm about to tell y'all what I'm about to do, then I'm about to go do it. But I have a lot of work, well not a lot, but it's the beginning of the week, but I have work to do, so I'm about to write in my planner. I'm about to do this, plan out my week, and basically get started on my work. So I'll tune in with y'all whenever I can. Goodbye. Okay, update y'all. I am still currently in the library doing work, but I just got a message saying that my charger was delivered. I'm not gonna go get it right now because I want to at least like power through half of my to-do list, which is gonna pop up on the screen right here. I want to power through at least half of that before I go jump to get a charger or jump to get my charger. So yeah. They're gonna package these chargers. Before I leave this semester. I'm headed to, my hair's still good. I'm headed to APS. If y'all know what that is, it's oh, I shortened it. I got APS. Are you going down or up? Oh. Okay, headed to APS. I'm on the elevator. I have to go up because people on the elevator are going up. And I don't like talking to people on the elevator. Look a little weird. I'm about to head to American Politics Systems. That's what APS is short for. And yeah. I low-key left late because I wanted to make my bed. So, class starts at 2. It's 1:58. As long as I make it by the time she say my name, I feel like I'll be okay. I feel like I can make it. And I'm speed walking in my sandals. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know if I'm headed or not. Hold on. Yo, it's 1:59. Oh, it's 1:59, y'all. We might make it. We might get it though. Y'all, I'm speed walking down the damn hall. I made it, y'all. If y'all guess blue, y'all was right. Let me not show y'all our room. It's kind of messy, but if y'all guess blue, y'all was right. I'm currently about to, it's Wednesday, March 2nd. I'm currently about to get in the shower because a couple of my friends, they want to go to lunch at 1. I had class at 2, so, but we're going to lunch at 1. But I just woke up and it is 11:31, so I'm about to get in the shower and get my day started. Wednesdays are my busiest days. I had intro to computer science, intro to intro to computing this one thing at 9. Now I'm just making my bed and then I'm gonna get in the shower. I don't know what I'm wearing yet, so yeah, we'll figure that out as we go. And I have to flat on my hair because, you know, it's up a little while. So yeah. Okay, I forgot to record when I was in a cab. But anyways, I was in a cab with friends. I am headed upstairs. I forgot. I was supposed to bring my book bag to the cab. Totally forgot to do that. Have to go upstairs real quick, get my book bag, and then I gotta go to APS, which is at 2, and it's like 1:55. It's actually 1:54. Perfect. I'm ready. I shot update. I got my book bag. It's 1:55. We gonna get to class on time. We gonna make it, hopefully. Y'all, I forgot everybody was on the yard today. And they playing music, so yeah. But yeah, my thighs are sweating. It's just too much. Oh my God. It's 57. Oh my God. Y'all like, no, for real, I'm creating heat in between my legs. My damn thighs. Let me stop walking so fast. Nah, I can't stop. It's to the edge. We almost there. Last time she was late, so I don't know. I'm about to. Y'all, man, it has been a minute over there. I'm about to get class on time. Y'all, it's a warm day and everybody in their daddy outside, y'all. It's 75. Everybody in their peppy out here. But I just got out of APS and what am I finna do? I actually have class at 4. It's an online class, but I have a lot of work to do for APS, and then I want to finish my intro to computing work, so we're headed into the dorm to do those things. These two those guys, Bestie, I look like an icon these days, and I'm just, gas me up. Gas me up, Bestie, period. I love my Bestie. When he act right, though, when he act right. And that's rare, so today he was acting right. In the whole basement. Oh, you want to watch laundry? Don't forget to hit 3. Okay. Oh, child. Okay. Hey, vlog. My roommate, she just left for critical thinking. My class is online. Well, I am about to do my to-do list, which will pop up on the screen right there, and play some R&B music until class starts. And I'll just time-lapse it because, you know, can't copyright. But I'm in class now, so I'm gonna catch y'all up. Okay, y'all. So she put us in groups, and I'm in a group. I know everybody in my group. Tell me why everybody in here ain't nobody talking. Everybody just using the chat feature on the Zoom thing. Child, I'm trying to get this project done. I want to get a good grade on it. It's 5 of us in a group, and so we're supposed to be. It's a project. We're supposed to embody critical thinking. So it's giving, and my partners are saying like they're not even sure exactly what she wants, because I asked, did we have a rubric? Did we have a, we don't got no rubric, we don't got no project summary. We, child, help, send help, please. Y'all almost fell in this. Hey vlog, I'm back. Went to the cab, and then I went to one of my friends' rooms, and I've been in there all day. I'm literally getting back 2 minutes before curfew. But yeah, I'm about to go in my room, probably make something to eat maybe, and just chill because I don't have any classes tomorrow. packing. Okay, let me. I packed. Everything's just not in the bag, but we're outside with it. I'm waiting on one of my lovers to come outside because she's just like love girl. So guys, I packed. I'm currently just sitting outside, just soaking and basking in this beautiful day. Is that Tebe? I don't know. Anyways, yeah. So we're just living our best lives. I'm probably gonna call my friend because me wants to talk to him. But yeah, that's about it. They finally finished the chapel, guys. Like finally, like you can go in it now. It stinks. It smells like cow manure because obviously they, whatever. But back from the cab. Bro, I gotta fix my edge. Okay. Yeah, I'm back from the cab right now. I'm currently just chilling in my room until Bible study. We're meeting at the circle at 6:15. So I'm chilling till then. I'll film a little bit of that. I also have film, but it's on Zoom, so that is fun. I'm about to fix my edges real quick. Y'all look at this. Hold on. I don't know if it's on. Hold on, I'm finna prop it up. Sorry, that was my pillow. But y'all look, it looks so nice. Look, my camera looks so ashy. Okay, here we go. But yeah, I'm about to fix my edges.
Let's go. No. Yes? I have one last question.
Hey, it's Friday. It's currently 3:49. I'm up watching Java. If y'all don't know who that is, please subscribe. Her and her content. So yeah, I'm just watching TV. No one ready to sleep because I have to get up at 10, and I gotta shower and everything. But it's okay. We're gonna figure it out.